Have you ever envisioned a world where the sum of luxury cars' prices could rival the GDP of a small nation? Prepare yourself for a journey into the realm of unparalleled extravagance as we unveil the 9 most exclusive and expensive cars on the planet. Join us as we delve into the world of these automotive titans, each representing a pinnacle of design, power, and exclusivity. Position number 9, Lamborghini Veneno Roadster. Immerse yourself in the dizzying world of Lamborghini, where the Veneno Roadster reigns supreme. Synonymous with aerodynamics and power, this Italian masterpiece, with a top speed of 355 km/h, propels itself from 0 to 100 in a mere 2.9 seconds. With only 9 units in existence and a price tag of $4.5 million, it stands as a rare jewel in the automotive world. Position number 8, Koenigsegg CC-XR Trevita. Designed to leave a lasting impression, the CC-XR Trevita boasts a top speed of 410 km/h and accelerates from 0 to 100 km/h in just 2.9 seconds. With only 2 units produced, each priced at $4.8 million, this Swedish marvel is not only a powerhouse, but also a beacon of exclusivity. Position number 7, Bugatti Diva. Bugatti's answer to exclusivity, the Divo, promises a driving experience like no other. With a top speed of 380 km/h and limited to only 40 units, it exemplifies precision and power. The Divo, priced at $5.8 million, is a sight to behold on the road. Position number 6, Mercedes-Benz Maybach Exelero. The Maybach Exelero, a testament to advanced engineering and timeless design, reaches a top speed of 351 km/h. With only 1 unit ever produced, this German luxury titan stands alone, valued at $8 million. Position number 5, Bugatti Centodieci. Paying homage to Bugatti's rich history, the Centodieci is a rare gem with only 10 units in existence. Priced at $9 million, it embodies the perfect balance of tradition and modernity, featuring an 8.0-liter W16 engine with 1,600 HP. Position number 4, Rolls-Royce Sweptail. Rolls-Royce, synonymous with luxury, presents the Sweptail, a bespoke masterpiece inspired by the golden era of motorsports. With only 1 unit produced, this British icon stands alone at a staggering $13 million. Position number 3, Pagani Sonda HP Barchetta. Italian craftsmanship reaches its zenith with the Pagani Sonda HP Barchetta, limited to just 3 units. Priced at $17.5 million, this masterpiece, with a 7.3-liter V12 engine, showcases absolute elegance and power. Position number 2, Bugatti La Voiture Noire. The Bugatti La Voiture Noire, translating to the black car, made its debut in 2019. With a top speed of 420 km/h, it is a marvel of engineering and design. Priced at $18.7 million, only 1 unit exists in the world. Position number 1, Rolls-Royce Boattail. Finally, we reach the pinnacle of automotive opulence with the Rolls-Royce Boattail. Unveiled in 2021, this sensory masterpiece draws inspiration from classic yachts. With only 3 units in existence and a price tag of $28 million, it stands as the most expensive car in the world, a true symbol of luxury and exclusivity. As we conclude this journey through the world of the most exclusive cars, which of these automotive marvels would you choose to own? Leave your answer in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more captivating content. Until next time, goodbye.